Welcome back. In our earlier section on reading files, we used methods like read to load everything at once or read lines to get a list. Today, we focus on more efficient and nuanced reading techniques, particularly for large files, by understanding the file cursor and iterative reading. 1. The file cursor. Think of the file object as having a cursor or pointer that tracks your current location in the file. Every time you read from the file, this cursor advances by the amount of data read. For example, if you read 10 characters, the cursor moves 10 positions forward. The next reading operation starts from that new position. 2. Efficient iterative reading. For very large files, the most memory-efficient way to read is to use the file object directly in a for loop. When you iterate over the file object f, Python automatically reads one line at a time, keeping only that line in memory. This is superior to read lines, which loads the entire file into a list at once. We use strip here to remove the trailing new line character, \n. 3. Reading a specific byte count with red end parenthesis. You can pass an integer argument, n, to the read method to specify exactly how many characters or bytes to read. This is useful for processing files in fixed-size chunks, common when dealing with structured data formats. Notice how the second read operation starts exactly where the first one left off, thanks to the advancing file cursor. To summarize, you now have tools for reading files of any size efficiently. Our next lecture 23.09, right? See you there.